Started off with no flavor, came a long way, and I won't touch a project if I ain't getting paid. Promises made and they broken at the same time. Somebody get this slimy A&R off my line. Must think I'm blind to the fact he don't really know. I'm grassroots, not concerned about the radio. And I ain't looking at this music as my ticket out. I'm young, black, and educated, I'ma stick it out. Figure this shit out. Can't have a shred of doubt. Giving the people what they want is what I'm all about. Take the disc out the MPC and disconnect it. She wanna get butt naked because I'm so eclectic. Talking down, they never did nothing for none of you. You're still broke without a dollar once the day is through. I'm staying on my own too, trying to stay true. Dealing with a bunch of shit but still remain cool. I gotta do that shit again, though.